Flip Sitherby decided to meet Mrs. Salpanjego. He started his journey from Shropshire. In that station, he met one of his friend and he informed he is going to spend a holiday with Mrs. Salpanjego. He started his journey to Brill Manor. In the train, he is keep on reading the newspaper. He has only one companion, Bertie, a young boy, 22 years old. With the dark hair, fresh complexion, and the blend of smartness, but his costume seems to be village guy, who is going to for his rustic holiday. He was engaged in searching furiously. In his waist pocket, he takes sixpenny bit out of waistcoat pocket, and he kept cigarette case, matchbox, latchkey, silver pencil case, and railway ticket were turned out on the seat beside. He checked his pocket multiple times for the coin purse, but he was unable to find it. He himself cursed louder than before to impress Slatherby because he was reading the newspaper continuously. But he didn't bother about anything. Bertie started to ask him, "Are you going to meet Mrs. Salpanjego?" He informed yes. Bertie introduced himself that he is her second son and he would be there on Monday evening. Then he explained that he has left his purse behind on the table. It has crust on it and forthwith with it. With that, he would meet his expenses of his week end and fishing in Brandway. So he asked small help of £3 from Flip, and he was his mother's friend. He will return home on Monday and then he will return his 3 quid. Flip accepted, but he verifies about his crust. Bertie replies that is a demi line holding a crosslet in its paw. But Flip remembers that it was a greyhound because already he saw in his mother's notepaper the greyhound crest was in that letter pad. Flip has some suspicious in his mind. Again, Flip asks about his mother's appearance so that he can identify her easily at the station because this is the first time he is going to meet her. Just he said lie for the verification of Bertie. Bertie replies that his mother resembled him with the dark brown hair and high color. He confirms that Bertie is lie because already he saw Mrs. Salpanjego who has a yellow hair. While getting down, Bertie asks for his 3 quid because already he promised to give Bertie. But Slatherby refused to give that amount because his mother's appearance and crest was mismatched. Flip Sitherby highly of himself that how will he discuss the strange incidents with other guests in the dinner and will be appreciated for his cleverness. This will increase his chances for being chosen as a party manager. On reaching Brill Manor, he is received by glad people, who is a professional lawyer working for Mrs. Salpanjego. He was tall and talkative. He is often discussed about the car because it was very expansive. It's like a hotel. And again he is telling about the luxurious features about the car. Flip Sitherby suddenly noticed that 2 crusts kept in a box at the car window, and on further inquiry, he gets to know that they both belongs to that Salpanjego family. Glad people also tells him about the recent changes in Mrs. Alpenjaco when she electrifies everyone with blonde hair. And her old hair were brown like putty. This make Flip Sitherby silent and speechless in the end of the story. Suggy proved that shot in the dark. Shot in the dark means to guess something when you have no information or knowledge about it. Moral of the story is we should not judge a person book by its cover. Thank you, students.